Hello guys, welcome to my channel Amazon GF. Today we will talk about the new Redmi Mi Note 10 128GB 108MP penta cameras 6.47 inches LTE factory unlock smartphone. Look at its design as well as it is too much slim. I think is best mobile at $419.99 and you can also get 10% discount by clicking the link in description. So, let's talk about its configuration. So it is available in different color like midnight black and aurora green. It has 6.47 inches 3D curved AMOLED display Corning Gorilla Glass front and back, 1080 x 2340 pixels 398 ppi, HDR10, responsive in-screen fingerprint sensor, TUV Rhineland low blue light mode. It has flash storage, 128GB phone storage plus 6GB RAM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, 5260 mAh, tip, high-capacity battery, multifunctional NFC. It has main camera, 108MP ultra-high-resolution camera plus 12MP portrait camera plus 5MP telephoto camera plus 20MP ultra-wide-angle camera plus 2MP macro camera, front camera, 32MP selfie camera, 4K recording. It has 1080p slow-motion recording, Vlog mode and night mode 2.0. It has compatible with most of the GSM carriers, but please be aware that are not compatible with CDMA carriers, like Sprint or Verizon Wireless. So go through the link in description and get 10% discount and buy it. And we will meet you in next video, so subscribe OBHAI Gaming to get more video and discount, and if you like this video so please like and share my video. Goodbye.